Want to build future? Let's jump into the top countries and universities where you can study engineering after 12. Grab your backpack and let's get started.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shisha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Why study engineering abroad? Engineering is the backbone of world's innovation. Studying abroad gives you the access to best professors in the world, top research facilities, and global job opportunities. In fact, the engineering graduates from top colleges and universities earn up to 60 to 70 lakh rupees annually in countries like USA and Canada. Top countries for engineering. First up, the USA. It's home to MIT, the world's #1 engineering school, with an acceptance rate of just 6.7%. And don't forget Stanford and UC Berkeley. These universities lead the world in tech innovation. Stanford engineering graduates earning a salary of $85,000 a year. Next, Canada. It's not just maple syrup and poutine. The University of Toronto is ranked number 29 among the best engineering schools in the world, and McGill University ranks 44. In fact, Canada is one of the most welcoming countries in the world for international students, with 160,000 plus international students enrolled in Canadian universities in 2023 alone. Let's talk about Germany. Want tuition-free education at some of the best universities in the world? Technical University of Munich and RWTH Aachen University are consistently ranked among the top 100 engineering schools globally. Germany boasts the lowest in Europe student loan default rate, making it an affordable choice for Indian students. And finally, Australia. The University of Melbourne and ANU offer world-class engineering programs. Australia's international student population is set to exceed 600,000 by 2025, making it one of the most vibrant student destinations. And with a 1-year post-study work visa, it's a great place to kickstart your career. These countries aren't just about education, they are the ticket to your international career. Let's break it down and find out which one is your perfect fit. Best engineering universities? Check out the top universities. USA. MIT is legendary in electrical, mechanical, and computer. MIT's engineering program alone received over $1.4 billion in research funding in 2020. Stanford and UC Berkeley, they're absolute powerhouses in engineering innovation, with Berkeley engineering graduates earning an average salary of $87,000 per year. Canada. University of Toronto is a must-visit for engineering students. For mechanical, civil, and aerospace engineering, UBC and McGill University are also top choices, with UBC's engineering program receiving more than $20 million in research funding annually. Germany. If you want cutting-edge research facility, look no further than TU Munich and RWTH Aachen University. Germany's engineering sector is worth over 150 billion euros annually, and these universities are at the forefront of this revolution, especially in fields like automotive and aerospace engineering. Australia. University of Melbourne ranks number 42 globally for engineering, with over 70% of its students securing employment within 6 months of graduation. ANU is also a fantastic choice for research-based engineering education. Why these universities stand out? Well, here is why. Research opportunities, industry connections. With strong ties to companies like Tesla, Boeing, and Siemens, you'll get hands-on experience through internships that can land you jobs with global tech giants. Global collaboration. You will be working alongside students from over 100 countries, expanding your network worldwide. Post-graduation work opportunities. The USA, Canada, and Australia offer work permits and PR pathways that are tailored to engineers, ensuring you can stay and grow in your career globally. Admission requirements and how to apply. Let's talk about getting in. USA, you will need SAT or ACT scores. Canada, TOEFL, IELTS. Your 12th marks and sometimes SAT or ACD scores will do the trick. Germany, the best part, no tuition fee. But you'll need strong academic scores and may need to prove English proficiency. Australia, IELTS TOEFL scores are required, plus your 12th board marks. Some universities might also want an 8-hour score. Cost and scholarships. Studying abroad can be affordable too. USA, scholarships like the Fulbright program and university-specific merit-based aid can help reduce the cost. Canada, there are Canadian government scholarships and university awards like Vanier Scholarship. Germany, tuition-free education in public universities, you only pay for semester fees. Super affordable. Australia, universities offer scholarships like Australia Awards and the research training program. So, are you ready to kickstart your engineering journey? The world is waiting. Choose a country, university, and the course that aligns with your career aspirations and take the first step towards making a bright future. Planning to study abroad but confused about SOPs, LORs, courses, or visas? No worries. Shiksha's expert counselors offer free guidance for everything. Message us on WhatsApp now at 8130132440 and let's get you started.